Just have a listen to this for a minute. Guess where we are? Central Las Americas. Hello, it's Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in a complex called El Dorado. We're in Central Las Americas. It's literally 5 minutes walk down there to the famous Las Americas beaches. You've got all the restaurants and everything outside, and you've got this pleasant view behind us with the birds tweeting. So, behind us here we've got the main entrance, and as soon as we come in on the left hand side we've got the bathroom. So we've got a toilet, hand basin and a shower there as well. On the right hand side you've got the first of the 2 bedrooms, and actually this used to be the kitchen. It used to be part of the kitchen, so they put some walls up here. You can see the wardrobe, plenty of space there as well, with 2 single beds and a bit of storage either side of the beds as well. And then into the kitchen lounge area. So we're a fully functioning, fully fitted American style kitchen, and there's a hob and a cooker there as well, which means you don't have to go out every single night. Good size in here, good space. And this would have been the original bedroom, which is not really any different to the other bedroom if you ask me. So you've got a wardrobe and 2 single beds. And then out here, got a lovely balcony with this view as well. And you really wouldn't believe you're in the centre of Las Americas. You're literally minutes away from the beach. And there's a swimming pool on the complex here. There's the tennis court that you can see down there as well. That's part and parcel of the El Dorado complex. It's actually a residential complex in the centre of a touristic zone. So a really nice place to live, really tranquil as well. You can hear the birds singing. So nice swimming pool down there as well. So that's our 2-bedroom converted from a 1-bedroom apartment in the centre of Las Americas in the complex called El Dorado. So don't forget, you've got the great tennis courts out there, the lovely swimming pool. You've got that really nice tranquil view outside as well. It's a really type residential type area, but you're in the touristic zone. You're 5 minutes walk away from the beach. Just the bars and the restaurants are right outside as well. So right in the centre, but a really tranquil type feel with that nice view there of the pine trees. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.